Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this week's CVS deals video, I would like to wish everyone a happy new week, and I hope we all have a great week ahead. Thank you all for joining me once again, and thanks for all your support. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. I hope you join us by subscribing, liking the video, and share if you want. And let's see what CVS have for us today. The first deal I have is on buy any raw sugar product, you get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. The cheapest item my store have is the hand wash. It's priced at $5.29. Or you can pick up the kids bubble bath, priced at $5.59. Remember, this is a limit of 1, so you can only pick one item. Picking up the hand soap, priced at $5.29. You have to pay that, or if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. Pay the $5.29, get $3 back, making it just $2.29 only. The next deal is when you buy 3 Ensure or Glucerna products, you get $8 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the mini treats, priced at $7.29. These 3 are going to total $21.87. If you have your 10-1 smart sauce, check, because there is a $4 coupon for each item. Use 4 of those coupons. It's going to drop it down to $9.87, and you get $8 back, making all 3 items $1.87 or 94 cents each. Another way to do this deal, if you don't have the 10-1 smart sauce, is picking up 2 of the Ensure shake, priced at $12.49 each. Then pick up 1 of the Glucerna mini treats, priced at $7.29. And the total for these 3 items will be $32.27. I have this $3 coupon I got from Glucerna.com. I signed up and they emailed me this coupon. I printed one out. And also on coupons.com, you will find a 7 off 2 Ensure coupon that will also apply to this. And I have a 4 off 25 any protein powder shake or bar CRT. In our app, we also have a 7 off 2, but I checked, it's not double dipping. It didn't double dip for me. It might do that for you, so you have to try it out. With all these coupons and the CRTs, it's going to drop the subtotal down to $18.27, and I'll get $8 back, making all 3 items $10.27 or $3.42 each. The next deal is on Skintimate disposable razor. It's part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 at $9.99. The second one is going to be $5. The total will be $14.99. Check your app, we have a $4 coupon for this, and also go to coupons.com and print out a second one. Then also use a 3 off 15 Skintimate CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, the subtotal will be $3.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items free and a 2-cent money maker. The next deal is on Softsoap body wash. It's part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 priced at $6.59 each, and the total will be $12.58. Check your app, because we have a 3 off 2 Softsoap digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $9.58, and you get $4 back, making both items $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal is on Dove body wash. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 of the women's price at $8.99, and pick up 1 of the men's price at $8.29. This is the one that is going to be half off, because when you have a buy 1 get 1 half off, the lower priced one is the one that will be charged half off. You can only do this deal if your store accepts expired coupon up to 1 day, because that's what's been happening. Use the BOGO coupon we got from 924 Savings Set, and the maximum amount is going to take off is $6.99. It's going to drop it down to $6.15. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $4.15 or $2.08 each. The Green Dry Spray is part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the men's price at $7.79. The second one is going to be $3.40. You can pick up the women if that's what you want. I have these two coupons I got from CVS. It's the Pili coupons they have by the product. It's going to take off $3 because it's $1.50 each. It's going to drop the total down to $8.19. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $4.19 or $2.10 each. The next deal is on spend $20 on Cetaphil. You get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Gentle Foaming Cleanser, priced at $11.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $23.58. We have a $3 in our app and also on coupons.com, but it's not going to work on these products because they are for bigger items. But if you go on Cetaphil.com and sign up, they will email you a $4 coupon that you can print out and use on this deal. It's going to drop it down to $15.58 and you get $5 back. Then check your Ibotta because mine I have a $2.50 back on each, making the final price $5.58 for both or $2.79 each. The next deal is on spend $20 on any Real Technique, you get $10 back. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, this will be a good time to use it. Pick one of the everyday essentials priced at $19.99. That's within the 98% rule, so make sure your store follows that. Without coupons or any CRT, you pay the $19.99 and get $10 back, making it just $9.99. This week, Revlon Cosmetics is on spend $20, get $8 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the eyeliners priced at $10.49, and these 2 items are going to total $20.98. In today's savings search, we have a $3 there that you can use for this. Use 2 of those, and we also have one in our app. If you still have your $4 instant CRT from last week, that's if you have the paper version, use that. It's going to drop the total down to $10.98 and you get $8 back, making these 2 items $2.98 or $1.49 each. L'Oreal Elvive is on sale for $2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2, 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. We all received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $6. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal is when you buy any 2 Dove hair care, you get $3 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Dove hair shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.49 each. These 2 items are going to total $10.98. We all received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $6.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. Family Guard is part of the spend $15, get $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the disinfectant spray priced at $7.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $14.98. Then check your 10-1 savings search. There is a 4 off 2 coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $10.98 and you get $5 back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each. The puff tissue is not giving back any extra care box, but I saw that they are on sale for $1.99 and we have a 25-cent coupon. So if this is what you need, you can pick up as much as you want, or you can pick up 1 and use the 25 cents digital coupon. The next deal is on buy 2 Cottonelle 8 mega roll or Viva 6 big rolls, you get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 8 mega rolls on sale for $10.99 each, and these 2 items are going to total $21.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Cottonelle. That will drop it down to $19.98 and you get $5 back. Check your Shopkick. There is a $2 back for the second item, and after the $2 back, it's going to make both of them $12.98 or $6.49 each. The next deal is on buy 2 Scott paper towel 6 big rolls, you get $2 back. They're on sale for $5.99. Pick up 2 and it's going to total $11.98. I don't have any coupon for this, but you can check scott.com to see if you can print out any coupon. Without the coupons, you paid $11.98 and get $2 back, making both items $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal is the spend 20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. And I'll be sharing 2 ideas on how to do this deal, very simple ways. The first way to do it is to pick up the Tide detergent 37 ounces on sale for $6.99 and also the Gain detergent on sale for $6.99. And to complete this deal, add the Bounce dryer sheets, the 120 counts on sale for $6.99. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show that. These 3 items are going to total $20.98. And for the Tide, check P&G website and print out a $1.50 coupon. And also on P&G website, print out a $1 coupon for the Gain and also a $1 coupon for the Bounce. It's going to drop your total down to $17.47 and you get $5 back, making all 3 items $12.47 or $4.16 each. Another option is to pick up the Bounty 6 double roll on sale for $15.99 and the Tide detergent on sale for $6.99. The total for both products will be $22.98. We have a $1 digital coupon that is applying to the Bounty, but you can go to P&G website and print out a $3 coupon for this and also print out a $1.50 coupon for the Tide. It's going to drop it down to $18.48 and you get $5 back, making both items $13.48 or $6.74 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for all your support and I'll see you all next time. Bye.